August 24, 2009 was when Sprout was changing rapidly. The Wiggles came to Sprout with their own morning block Wiggly Waffle, which also aired on ABC2 at a short period of time. And new irons were produced by Justin Stevenson and his company Trace Pictures. These irons featured real kids and were box branded. This meant that the Sunny Side Up show, the Sprout Shane Show, and the Goodnight Show got their own new openings. The entertainment-produced British show Rubadubbers was added to the Goodnight Show's lineup. In 2010, the Let's Go show was dropped, replaced by a weekend Sunny Side Up show, and Sprout launched its first original series, Noodle and Doodle. Incidentally enough, that was also the year Sprout was now available in high definition, HD. Sprout also started to air required shows not produced by Sprout such as Dirtgirlworld, Chloe's Closet, and Drive a Dance Story Train. The next year, Sprout launched its Kindness Counts campaign, featuring videos of a kindness counter from Sesame Street, Barney, and its blocks. The 3 year after that, Sprout launched NBC Kids. It was a Saturday morning block which aired from 2012 to 2016, replacing Cubo. The Sunny Side Up show, Sprout's only live block, was growing big, even bigger than the Goodnight Show. So not only would new hosts be added like Liz Filios, Denisha Pratt, and Carly Kairochi, not only would the block receive guest stars like Elmo, Barney, and Big Bird from Sprout shows, not only would the block be framed into 2 entertainment DVDs, but Chica would also get her very own show. I'm talking about the Chica Show. It aired from 2012 to 2014 and was a mix of live action and animation. One of the characters, Stitches, was voiced by Mario Lopez. It's been a year since Sprout introduced Lazy Town, and it was so popular with audiences already that Sprout decided to give it its own programming block, the Super Sproutlet Show. At first, the block aired in between the Sunny Side Up show and the Sharing Show, but then replaced Wiggly Waffle until next year. It was hosted by an original character named Bean instead of Stephanie. Bean would look for Sprouts who were active and good to the earth, and she would often check in with both Sparkus and Mayor Meanswell from Lazy Town. Comcast acquired NBCUniversal in 2011, and there was a deal for it to acquire all its stuff by 2013. This includes Sprout. So, in November 2013, the PBS Kids Band was removed from the channel's name after NBCUniversal acquired it. In the previous year, Entertainment was acquired by Apex Funds in the UK and Mattel in the US. And the Sesame Workshop decided to quit owning the channel. With the ownership to NBCUniversal, the channel's operations moved from Pennsylvania to New York City. Among the changes on the channel, the Sprout Shank Show was removed and instead replaced by a new block called Sprout Control Room. Sprout turned 10 in 2015. The channel completely rebranded for this, and included a new show called Nina's World in Sydney. NBCUniversal started to acquire Dreamworks in 2016. Sprout started to air their preschool show Noddy, Toyland Detective. In 2016 and 2017, Amy Friedman and Archer Brennan were named Senior President of Vice Programming and President respectively. In April 2017, Brennan announced plans to relaunch Sprout's Universal Kids. And this meant no more Sunny Side Up show, and no more Goodnight Show. Universal Kids launched on September 9, 2017. Sprout continued as a block until January 2018 when the name was removed.